Autodesk shared views are ideal for quick, simple, and secure sharing. Shared views are rich multi-sheet 2D or 3D viewables that can be opened on virtually any cloud-connected desktop or mobile device via a simple web link. The reviewers don't actually need to install anything. They can just use their internet browser. Tasks such as isolating components or seeing shared properties as shown here are all possible. What's also terrific is the ability to be able to section and view any internal detail, measuring anywhere to check for sizes, and even exploding the view for even further clarity is all possible. Once reviewed, reviewers can then also sign into their Autodesk account. Once they've done that, they can then redline and add any comments to it. Once it's been completed and saved, an email is then sent directly to notify the author. Back inside of Vault, you can then check for comments and see what feedback comes in. If you reply, they too will then get an email notification automatically. The whole conversation is temporary, but you can export the detail to a PDF from the Autodesk viewer. Shared views are focused on quick, work-in-progress feedback. They expire automatically after 30 days. If you extend them, you can do this, but if you prefer, you can also delete them early directly from inside of the Vault browser.